Then वेलकम बैक टू अनदर एपिसोड गाइस। जैसे कि आप लोग ने देखा कि कैसे फ्राइडे नाइट को यहाँ पे जॉन सीना ने कैसे धमका रहे थे और यहाँ पे ये भी मैचेस में देखा गया कि जॉन सीना कैसे सीएम पंक को अपना एटीट्यूड दिखा रहे थे और बोल रहे थे कि तुम एक गरीब इंसान हो। जैसे कि आप लोग ने देखा कि जॉन सीना और द रॉक की काफ़ी गहरी दोस्ती है, जिसी का घमंड है जॉन सीना को। और वो मैच में आने के बाद किसी को भी कुछ भी बोलते हैं और उन्होंने कोडी रोड को भी काफ़ी कुछ सुनाया उसी दिन। और कोडी रोड ने भी फाइट की द द ब्लड लाइन, जिसमें सोलो सिकवा और जैकब फाटू भी मौजूद थे उस दिन। और प्लस पॉइंट ये है कि जो जॉन सीना को उसी दिन जो है मैच से डिस्क्वालीफाइड कर दिया गया। और यहीं पे काफ़ी बात हो रही थी कि मैचेस जो है अपडेट कराए जाएंगे, जिसमें और रोमन रेंज भी अवेलेबल हो सकते हैं। और यहाँ पे द रॉक की एंट्री भी देखने को मिली थी इस फ्राइडे नाइट को, लेकिन कुछ सीन को कट कर दिया गया था। यहाँ पे दिखाने के लिए भी कुछ खास नहीं था, क्योंकि यहाँ पे सीएम पंक और रैंडी ऑर्टन का भी मतलब मेल-जोल था अच्छा खासा। और यहाँ पे एले नाइट ने भी फाइट की ओजी ब्लड लाइन से। और यहाँ पे तामा तोंगा को भी देखा गया था इसी मैच में। और इससे पहले आप लोग ने देखा कि किंग क्वीन और का मैच हुआ था, जिसमें जॉन सीना को भी देखा गया था। वैसे तो नाकामुरा भी देखे गए थे और यहाँ पे नाकामुरा ने भी काफ़ी अच्छा परफॉर्मेंस अपना दिया। उनकी वापसी के अंदाजे लगाए जा रहे थे और उन्होंने एक बार फिर से रिटर्न किया। उनके मैच भी काफ़ी लंबे चले हैं यहाँ पे, जैसे कि स्मैकडाउन किक ऑफ विथ वेड एंड रनिंग थ्रो कार्ड फॉर नाइट। और जैकब फाटू भी अपने वॉकिंग अरीना में पार्किंग अलॉट बट कैमरा कट द न्यू सीन मिसिस मनी इन द बैंक नोआमी प्लेस हर फोन इन वॉकिंग बैक स्टेज। और ये क्लियर दर्शाता है कि आगे रोमांचक मैच यहाँ पे होते रहेंगे। जॉन सीना, कोडी रोड, रैंडी ओटन एंड R-Truth live in arena. John Cena music hit and out he comes to the ring to mix a chair and woos. Cena get in the ring and ask the ring owner around the arena, and he never want to announces the mark of Nash, who introduces him as the greatest of all the time and never seen 17 gracing Lexington with his presence. One last time, he is just last real. Cena being by saying wrestling Mount Rosham is John Cena. He says there have been great wrestlers, great talkers, but no one in the past, present, and future is even comparable to him. Cena says the reason he will always out-maneuver is because he is smarter. Cena says, you cannot see me, you all want to be me. He says he is always 1,000 steps ahead of everyone because they all worried about right here. Now he won a year ago. He says that he entered the rumble, he want to eliminate Chamber, He knew Punk and Rollins would burn down and that Cody was focus was on someone else. But the opportunity he knew was aroused as Elimination Chamber to put on the Punk. He shocked the world of Cody obsession of being loved by everyone to be new champion. He used Orton's 25-year rivalry and he even put R-Truth in the main event. Everyone cared and took the bait while they used their time to save R-Truth. He said to Logan Paul and sized up his next opponent in CM Punk. Cena said Punk is backed into a corner. The fan chant CM Punk. Cena says if CM Punk really wants to take the title, he has to admit to himself that he is a hypocrite and he does not have to worry about Mr. Money in the Bank because Seth was will never cash in on him holding the title because when he cashed in he will be their only champion. Cena asked, never let them free. The fan woo him. He used math in his favor. He wins matches before he has cracked every code and he does not need their appreciation. Never they will realize how good he is 3 years after he is gone. This is the greatest moment of their life and for Cena. The fans are just mathematical equation and the math say there will never be anyone worthy enough to hold the right to hold his title again. Cody says Cena is not just smart, he is a genius. It is unfortunate that everything Cena said has come to fruition, but there is with this 25-year master plan, but there is a variable. Cody asked him why didn't include this Saturday when he was looking at the lights and Cody pinned him. Randy Orton music hit and out he comes to the ring. Orton says everyone saw he had Cena beaten in the ring. Orton says he has to do what it takes, no matter who is has to go through. Get number 15. Orton says he love Cody like a brother, but it has to be take him down to get Cena. He will not hesitate to do it. LA Knight music hit out. He came, he asked for music. to be cut and says, "Let me talk to you." He says all we long. He heard the world say they want Elenite. He know what the fan want. He knows what the three guys in the ring don't want, and that is him walking down the ring. Elenite says he is looking at the WWE establishment after creating the cultural activities. After the creation of, he says, King of the Ring is right around the corner and he has a shot at all them to take what is he, and he has to drop a viper, a night mayday, and he has to drop a genius building which John Cena to be WWE champion with everyone saying Elenite, yay, Cena leave back the ring and began walking to back, but Arcot attacked him from behind. Solid start to SmackDown. John Cena, Cody Rhodes, Randy Orton, and LA Knight, the biggest star on the show. All for cut good promos and the ovation for LA Knight was loud one. Back from the commercial, John Cena is backstage, arguing with Nick Aldis, but we cannot hear what is being said. The bell rings and we are under the way backstage. Is exchange right hand with Ellen Knight and Randy Orton. Watching them, Black through the hairs and watching outside from him. Ellen Knight goes for the BFT. Orton Black. It goes for the RKO, but Ellen Knight blocked it back from the black mass, but Orton stopped it. After the stage was backed so that eating the food would be able.